Don't ever, if you don't want to go on dismiss, listen to me, oh. When they dance now every day now, nobody know what's up. But if you go on dismiss, the same people where they dance for now, then go laugh at you. Oh. Number one, don't ever sell arms and ammunition. Don't ever sell arms and ammunition to anybody.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, follow me carefully and watch this particular video, because we are going to learn a lot, even if you are not a soldier. This particular video will teach you a lesson. This man that you are seeing on my screen is an Igbo boy or Igbo man based in Nigeria soldier, and he has a serious and important message to tell all the young Nigeria soldier. So just watch this video. After watching this video, do not forget to share so that other people can be able to watch this particular video, because this video you will benefit a lot, because he has exposed everything that so many people don't know about army work. So watch this video and drop your opinion in the comment section. And the way that I'm seeing this our brother, I don't like him joining the soldier.
As a warning. Let me sound this as a warning. Do you hear me? If you're a soldier, please, especially the young soldiers, when I know me, I like to talk my own. You understand, ba? Don't ever, if you don't want to go on dismiss, listen to me, oh. When they dance now every day now, nobody know what's up. But if you go on dismiss, the same people where they dance for now, then go laugh at you, oh. Number one, don't ever sell arms and ammunition. Don't ever sell arms and ammunition to anybody. Even if it's your fellow soldier, don't sell arms and ammunition to any soldier. Soldier no they sell ammunition, they go sign them. They go sign them. You understand, ba? No try them. You understand, ba? Don't sell army kits. You can sell your army kits to your fellow soldier where you there for the same unit with. Don't sell your army kits to civilians. They can use it to attack you, or attack your location, or attack another location, or even attack civilians when don't do anything. Don't sell anything army kits. Be it uniform, headgear, anything, fragmental jackets, pouches, boots. You understand, ba? Jackknife, anything army or military uniform, don't sell it anywhere. Do you hear me? And again, be very, very careful. Don't ever disclose your location's information to anybody. In fact, this one says, don't even tell your fellow soldier. Say my location, this is my location, we have this, we have that, we have that, we have this. Don't disclose it to anybody. Do you understand, ba? That is why you see sometimes they could dislodge, they can dislodge any information, they can dislodge any place because of information where you give out, and you go follow suffer. If I may catch you, now dismiss and jail. Don't try it to. Do you hear me? Another one, be very, 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 very careful with women. You see woman matter? Yeah? Don't force a woman to yourself. Don't force a woman on yourself or to yourself, or you force yourself to a woman. No try am. Let the girl go. Find another person, talk to them. If the person if you walk with you, no problem. The pata of them all, avoid married women. Avoid married women. You see married women? Some of them go push themselves, come meet you. Some of the married women will push themselves, come meet you. Do you hear me? Run, oh. Baba, run. Now dismissal offense, oh. Nobody will beg for you. Anything that has to do with married women, nobody will beg for you. Run, oh. Do you hear me? Imagine as you know they play now, they dance, they see one for TikTok, they see one everywhere. When you go dance, finish now. They go tell you, say, we think carry you come back village. You go tell them say because of woman. How do you want them to look at you? Now you hear me, ba? These are some, and again, be very, very careful. Don't ever mount your own checkpoint. Don't leave your AOR and go to another place and build your own. Don't leave your AOR. Remain in your AOR and don't mount your own checkpoint. Do you understand, ba? When you mount your own checkpoint, now you sabi you. If Army, Navy, or Air Force, anyone will catch you, you are going back to your village. Don't mount your own checkpoint. You understand, ba? Remember, say these civilians, they are our friends, and all of them now our people. Be careful. Me, this is what I tell you now. Now the things we go fit send you back to your village sharp. They know they beg for them. Nobody go beg for you. No matter the connection where you get, nobody go beg for you. You are going back to your village. This is what I tell you. Be careful. Una know me, say me I talk to you. I pray say one day some of una, we go meet for, because me I like operation. I don't like to stay for barrack. I like operation. You understand? But some of una go meet us. We and una we go meet for operational ground. And una go thank me for all these things what I tell una. Just follow me, subscribe, and do anything you want to do with me. Yeah, but I will tell una the truth and nothing but the truth. I love you all. God bless you guys, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.